Actually go and they'll pick up wood and they'll chew the wood and then release it to make that paper that's over there. Inside there's going to be a tier of combs, and that's where the larvae are being raised in here. What happens to these queens at during the fall? They'll overwinter in some of the logs that are here. In fact, maybe in November, if we come out here, we'll come out here and try to find a log. When you're looking for logs for these ball-faced hornets and everything else, I want you guys to think porridge. What do I mean by that? I mean, the log has got to be decayed to such an extent that you guys will be able to rip it apart, but not so decayed that if you were to sneeze on it, the whole thing's just going to kind of disintegrate. If you catch my drift. At any rate, thanks so much. Thanks so much. And guys, don't disturb this thing, because there's another way too that you could wind up addling these bees over here. What would that be? Absolutely, don't do that, guys, because they will not be happy and they will sting. Trust me.
I'm gonna YouTube this.
Let's not kill this thing. Okay, here is a caterpillar. Now, there's a little, they call these things woolly bears. And the interesting thing about our caterpillar is, by looking at the ratio here, I'm going to hold them up, but the reason why I'm being careful about this is, a lot of these caterpillars have what? Have stinging hairs. So if you, you're going to get an irritation.
That one has one? A stinging hair? I never felt that.
Probably not. Probably not with our woolly bears. But the reason why I'm doing this is, if you take a look at the ratio of black to brown, that has something to do with, but there's no truth in this, about whether we're going to have a severe winter or not. Same thing with the ball-faced hornets. If they build their nests close to the ground, what does that mean? Very little snow, warm winter. But they're going to be long gone before what happens? Before winter. So again, that's how these tails wind up developing. So here is our woolly bear. I'm going to pick the thing up. Can everybody see him, sort of?
Yeah.
Okay, how about if I pitch him out here? You're not going to take this thing home as a pet, so yes, there he goes. So you guys don't step on him.
There he goes. We're going to need a pet.
He could have been our pet, class pet. He could have.
Here's something else, guys. Take a look over here. This is jewelweed, Impatiens capensis. The plant right now is starting to wilt. The reason why it's wilting is because it's water stress. We've not had that much rain in September. September's been a warm month, and it's also been a dry month. And for the rest of the week, or probably at least through Thursday, it's supposed to be fairly dry. Let's see now if we can find some more animals, interesting plants, squirrels, whatever.